My walls are wood shiplap about 3/4 of an inch thick. I want to install a vanity light on the wall. I have the wire ran through a hole, about an inch wide. What type of junction box will I need to place on the wall to properly install the fixture?
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will do my best to help you with your issue. If my initial response doesn't answer your question, then let me know and we can continue our conversation. Depends on the fixture. Some can be installed without a box, like a strip light with a long backplate. Most other, a standard single gang old work switch box will do the job.
This one does not have the long strip. Circle in the middle, about 4 to 5.
Use a single gang old work switch box. https://www.lowes.com/pd/carlin 1 gang blue plastic interior old work standard switch outlet wall electrical box /1098523. You cut a hole big enough to insert the body of the box and the wing tabs, top right and bottom left in the pic. The tabs at the four corners stay on the outside face of the wall. You flip the wing tabs down, insert the box, then tighten the screws which draws the wings tight to the back of the board.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Isn't the one I need in a circular shape? The wall bracket for the light fixture is a circle.
Depends on the fixture. Measure the distance between the mounting studs on the fixture. In most cases you can use the box shown. If not, the same type of box is available in round as well. Do you have any more questions?
I do, but on diff subjects.
Okay, keep them coming.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.